Today we are going to discuss how to register a personal area, open a trading account, and start your first trade at the JustMarkets trading application. The very first step is to download the JustMarkets trading app from the website and enter it on your smartphone. Click Get Started. Select the option Continue with Email. Here you select your country of residence and enter the email address to register your personal area. Create a password. It must contain from 8 to 15 characters, at least one number from 0 to 9, and one or more special characters. Use both lowercase and uppercase Latin letters and more than 3 unique characters. It is important to remember all these details because you will use them when entering the personal area. Do you have a partner code with which to register? Click on this field and enter it. If not, just skip this step. Next, tick the box and confirm, declaring that you are not a citizen or resident of the U.S. Click the Continue button. You will see the request to set up and confirm your 4-digit PIN code. This PIN code is a security measure that you use in order to enter your personal area via JustMarkets trading app. Once the PIN code is set up, you will also be asked to protect your account with biometrics. You can click Set up Biometrics to continue with adding the additional security measures to your personal area. Click the button Not Now to skip this step. You will be able to set it up later in settings. This is the Accounts page where you can see all your trading accounts and actions that can be done in the personal area. And now let's check on how to make your first deposit and start your trading journey. Click the Deposit button to jump to the deposit page. Select the trading account number you want to deposit. Select the desired deposit method from the list of all available options. If you see any extra fields, such as bank account number, fill them in. Enter the deposit amount in the Amount field. In the field to be deposited, you'll see the amount that will be credited to your account. The amount is always displayed in the trading account currency. To confirm the deposit request, you need to click the Deposit button. You will be transferred to the Payment System page. Follow the instructions on your screen and complete the payment. Let's open your first trade. Select the trade section at the bottom. The trade via JustMarkets trading app is available only for MT5 accounts. Here you can easily access various trading options for MT5 trading accounts. Click on the trading account number. Here you'll see the list of all your active trading accounts. Select the one on which you want to trade. Below the trading account details, you can see groups of different instruments. Let's select metals and find gold. This is a chart for the gold instrument, where you can see the current price and open your first trade. Various MT5 options are also included to allow us to analyze the market more easily and add more tools for analysis. To open a trade, select one of the options below, Sell or Buy. This window shows all new order details. Indicate the volume of the order. Enable the Order Settings option to receive more options. There are 2 fields, Take Profit and Stop Loss, which allow you to constrain the close price of the order and close it automatically when indicated. Once everything is set up, click the Confirmation button at the bottom. Here we are. You have made your first trade at JustMarkets trading app. You will see the confirmation for your order being opened. It's just your first step on the journey to becoming a successful trader. Go ahead and practice to achieve better results.